Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Maverick Sport. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on it. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. Obviously, you can't miss those tracks on there. These are the Apache 360 LTs from Can-Am. An absolutely amazing track system. We finally got some snow here in Utah, as you can see. Starting to build up and still coming down. Perfect time to get the tracks installed. We've also got the Can-Am top, back window, soft upper sides, 30-inch light bar, USA windshield, Ryco Street Legal Kit, Can-Am winch. Very nice setup to get in and out of the cabin. We can set yours up like this. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.